Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in Mann Ki Baat program, urges countrymen to celebrate NARI-SHAKTI by felicitating women for their contribution in various spheres. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pitches for festival tourism, says India is the land of festivals possessing immense possibilities as a destination for festival tourism. The nation celebrates Deepawali with religious fervour and gaiety. President and Vice President and the Prime Minister extend their greetings. And in badminton, the Indian men's doubles pair of Satwik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty enter the French Open finals. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged countrymen to celebrate India's Nari-Shakti, the power and achievement of women, by felicitating the daughters. Expressing happiness that Bharat Ki Lakshmi initiative, which was initiated to mark the festive occasion of Deepawali, has received an overwhelming response from all corners, the Prime Minister urged people to seek inspiration from such examples. He made an appeal to the citizens to buy local products during Diwali, which according to him will be a befitting tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pitched for the idea of festival tourism and said that initiatives should be taken to popularize the various festivals of the country and also to invite people from other countries to join in with the festivities. He said festival tourism has its own exciting attractions globally and India is the land of festivals possessing immense possibilities for festival tourism. He also underlined that Indians living abroad have an important role in boosting festival tourism in the country.
हमारा भारत जो कंट्री ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स है, उसमें फेस्टिवल टूरिज्म की भी अपार संभावनाएं हैं। हमारा प्रयास होना चाहिए कि होली हो, दिवाली हो, ओणम हो, पोंगल हो, बिहू हो, इन जैसे त्योहारों का प्रसार करें और त्योहारों की खुशियों में अन्य राज्यों, अन्य देशों के लोगों को भी शामिल करें। भारत में फेस्टिवल टूरिज्म बढ़ाने में देश के बाहर रहने वाले भारतीयों की भूमिका भी बहुत।
BJP's Manohar Lal Khattar took oath as the Chief Minister of Haryana for a second term today. At the function in Chandigarh's Raj Bhavan, Dushyant Chautala, the chief of Allied Janayak Janata Party, took oath as his deputy. The BJP, which has 40 seats, has entered a deal with Dushyant Chautala's Janayak Janata Party, which won 10 seats in the recently concluded assembly elections. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has called for early operationalization of the BBIN, which is the Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal Motor Vehicles Agreement between the four countries if Bhutan needs more time to consider it. She made the statement in Azerbaijan after meeting the Prime Minister of Nepal on the sidelines of the NAM summit at Baku. The motor vehicle agreement between BBIN member states was signed in 2015, but it has not yet been operationalized as the upper house of Bhutan did not ratify it. It has some reservations about its environmental impact owing to increased traffic of heavy-duty vehicles. An awareness program on preservation of fish was held at Lailad village Sokma in Ribhoi district. During the program, it was expressed that there is a need to preserve the various species of fish by coming up with fish sanctuaries. It may be mentioned that apart from the traditional method of fishing, many fishermen bomb the rivers and streams, killing many fishes instantly and disturbing their habitat. The program was attended by Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, officials from the Fishery Department and local villagers. Nongpa Emily Merrill-Bond CM inaugurated a weaving factory, Ride Marmain Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited Kulya in Ribhoi district. Addressing the event, CM lauded the efforts of the society and said that it is an opportunity for all the women of the area to be self-sufficient and self-reliant economically through the weaving centre. Meanwhile, JOC Nongpa Rishot Marbanyang stressed on the need to open a mini bank to make it easier to avail loans. The inaugural program was attended by the headman and elders of the area.
Ya ini cooperative society bagi sokongan ba sengru ya IBCS hani but kenapa sibuk kisnau kiba la seng yang IBCS apa ini peti kini jam besin dan bagi parents body ke peti ke apa cooperative society apa senangkan sibuk di jingara kiba wan hati di kisnau di how itu Kalau tongsan ne kalau tang ke teli tang ke timur ke
Deepawali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated across the country today. The festival marks the victory of good over evil. People also worship the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, on the occasion. Community Kali pujas are being organized at different parts of the country, and the state and people have decorated their houses with lights and are preparing to worship the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi. President Ramnath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have extended their greetings to the citizens on Deepawali. Over to badminton, the Indian men's doubles pair of Satwik Sairaj Ranki-Reddy and Chirag Shetty continued their dream run, entering the finals of the French Open. The Indian duo registered a thrilling straight-game win over the Japanese pair of Hiroyuki Endo and Yuta Watanabe in Paris. The world number 11 Indian pair will now take on top-seeded Indonesian pair of Marcus Gideon and Kevin Sukamuljo in the summit clash. They are the only remaining Indian challengers at the event following the defeat of PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal in the quarter-final stage. Here's the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 21.3 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 13.4 degrees Celsius. The rainfall was measured at 8.8 millimeters. The relative humidity in the morning was 73%, rising to a maximum of 100% in the evening. The weather forecast shows us that thunderstorm and lightning is very likely to occur in isolated places over Meghalaya. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in Mann Ki Baat program, urges countrymen to celebrate NARI-SHAKTI by felicitating women for their contribution in various spheres. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pitches for festival tourism, says India is the land of festivals possessing immense possibilities as a destination for festival tourism. The nation celebrates Deepawali with religious fervour and gaiety. President, Vice President and Prime Minister extend their greetings. And in badminton, the Indian men's doubles pair of Satwik Sairaj Ranki-Reddy and Chirag Shetty enter the French Open finals. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.